know.
Victoria is writing calligraphy on a painting by Stephanie Miller. She commissioned her to inscribe the painting with a title that says 抱虎归山森林静. Translated as embracing the tiger as it returns to the mountain, the forest becomes still. And she has practiced for hours, studied the different scripts, and she decided to go with the walking script, semi-cursive script. Embracing the tiger. Returning to the mountain.
It's an unsized shown. Raw shown.
Absorbent. Forest. Still, quiet. So the meaning of this sentence symbolizes harmonious relationship or respect towards the tiger and its natural environment. Implies that the forest becomes peaceful and calm once the tiger is back to its home, suggesting a balance, tranquility in nature with mankind. This is a calligrapher's signature with date, year of what dragon.
Oh, I better put T here, right?
Hmm?
Do I put T here?
Yeah, better write the verb inscribed or entitled. It's very common. The inscriber, calligrapher collaborate with a painter to complete joint hand painting. Now she's adding her seal. And the painter will sign on the lower right corner as we discussed.
You mean lower left? Or
Lower left, yes.
some...
Under, yeah, on the corner. That completes the beautiful painting with calligraphy and the seal. thanks, Stephanie, for your trust of our artistry, and congratulations on this wonderful painting. Thank you. Bye-bye.